So, welcome. And today we are going to discuss about chemistry. That is a topic that is dealt in Form 2. And when we are talking of this topic, is called the periodic table, the atomic structure, and so on. So we are going to look specifically at halogens. So when we are talking of halogens, halogen, this is a word that is derived from two Greek words, that is halo, and then we have gen, whereby halo means salt and gen means produce. So halogen, salt produced. So it's just like an equation. We are dealing with the writing of equations. So that one we shall look at a later stage. Though in Form 1 we looked at word equation. For example, we can react zinc plus hydrochloric acid to get zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. That is an example of an equation. But we have some of the elements that they do not react because there's that formation of a coat. For example, like when copper is reacted with hydrochloric acid, it forms a compound that prevents further reaction from taking place. So here we are talking of halogens. So when we are talking of halogens, these are just the nonmetals that react by losing electrons. And when we are talking of losing electrons, we are talking of that ionic radius is responsible in the reaction whereby it gains electrons. So meaning that the electrons will increase and the ions will be reduced. So the physical properties of hydrogen. So when we are talking of the physical properties of halogens, halogens exist in molecules because they are diatomic molecules. They have diatomic molecules. That's why they exist in molecules, in molecular form, in molecules form. That is. So you find that these halogens, they have an Q characters that make them to exist in a molecular form. And I remember in Form 1 you discussed on atoms, definition of an atom, definition of element, definition of a molecule. So, and also you looked at the definition of compound. Under compound, you narrowed down and looked at the pure substance and impure substance. And when we are talking of pure substance, these are substances that exist in one form. But when we are talking of impure substance, these are substances that contains different mixtures or different substances, meaning that it has more than one substance in it. And you looked at the cooling and heating curve, whereby you looked at the effects of the effects of impurities on melting and boiling points of different substances. So that is it about the halogens. More will be coming soon and soon. Thank you for your time.